Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make Discord is custom sticker and upload them on Discord server. So guys, first of all we have to download the image that we are going to convert into custom sticker. So let's download the image first from Chrome browser and search for meme. Download the image that you want to convert into custom robot and custom stickers. So just download any of them. So I'm gonna download this one, my favorite. And once you download, guys, go back to your phone and uh, go back to this application. So this application, PixArt application, so you can download and import this image on uh, PixArt. Now once you import the image, now we are going to convert into recommended size that is mentioned on the Discord uh, official website. So just crop this image and tap on crop and just resize it and mention here, enter the width 512 and the height also 512. So it is saying that width should be, let me go back and let me see what are the size, recommended size. Oh, I forget, it is 120/28. Just enter the recommended size 128 and just as adjust the image. Once you're done with this, you can crop it. I will keep it little tilt. Now you can see. Now once you're done with the image, now you can download this image, and so it has been converted into our sticker, custom sticker. Now it's time to upload this on Discord server. So if you want to upload, you can't upload from Discord app. We actually need to go to let me see if there's any option. So I don't think so. Yeah, so we have to use the official website of Discord or desktop version of Discord. So just type discord.com and tap on open Discord and make sure you have enabled the Discord site mode. So it will open the website in desktop mode. Once it is open, once you open the website, now just choose the server where you want to upload the custom. So suppose this is my server that I have created. Now to upload custom robot, just make sure you are following me. Let me change the color to make it more, yeah, you can see, just tap on this arrow, downward arrow, tap on it, so it will open many options. So just tap on server setting, tap on it. So now you can see that this is the server settings where you can find many options here. So let me tap on it again. So you can see here is stickers, just tap on it. Now close this, or you can scroll down and you can see that you can upload 5 custom stickers on Discord server. So I have all 5 slots to upload. So let me upload the sticker first here, and let's upload it from here. I have to choose the image. Unsupported file format. file should be in png and epng. So let me convert it into png first. So when I save it, I have to save it as png, and the width should be 128 pixel. So yeah, this is perfect. Let's save it and upload it again. So if I upload it again, so format should be in png, make sure. So since you can see the earlier was jpg, now it is png. So if I upload this, you can see it has been uploaded successfully, and you can name it. So I'm gonna name it as goal. Fine, and you can enter the description, but it is not necessary. And what is it saying? So select the emoji, related emoji. So I'm gonna say, yeah, sunglasses. So if I type sunglasses, so it will recommend me this emoji, or is this custom sticker. So once you're done with this, and just tap on upload button. So now you can see that it has been uploaded, and you can see my one slot has been filled. Now 4 slots are left, so I can upload 4 custom sticker on this server. So now let's go back to our mobile app and see if I can post it on server or not. So this is my server that I have, and if I choose that, so this is the emoji. I want stickers. So you can see that in a sticker I have this newly created custom sticker. If I tap on it, you can see that it will send as an sticker. Fine, hope you like it guys, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam. And yeah, so if you want to upload custom emojis, you can do also. So what you have to do, you have to go to settings, and you have to go emojis, and here you can upload the custom emoji. So sticker is bit difficult, bit complicated process on Discord, but to upload custom emojis, you can do it on the Discord application itself. So you do not have to go use the desktop version of it. So hope you like it guys, and for more video like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam. Till then, bye bye.